Welcome back friends, this is Current Affairs Funda, Free Education Revolution. So today we will deal with the time and work session, next session here. So do subscribe this channel for more updates friends. See, first of all this is the time and work session, and before that we have already covered 1 up to 7 parts. Okay, and today we will deal with the part number 8. So in this part number 8 we will discuss some problems related to the OR concepts. Okay, suppose one man or two women or three children can do a piece of work in X days. Okay, so I'll tell you how to solve such kind of problems in a very smarter way. Friends, this is my personal guarantee, you can solve each problem related to the OR concept in only 30 seconds, or if you are more practiced then you can solve only 10 to 20 seconds only. Okay, so if you are preparing for the SSC exams or banking exams or either railway exams, okay, so this lecture gonna important for you. Okay, so kindly watch before watching this part number 8. So 1 is to 7 we have basically discussed the initial fundamental of time and work, and in this we are solving the previous year's problems here. Okay, so friends, our first problem, that is problem number one here. See, 5 men or there is or 6 women can complete a work in 18 days. Okay, in how many days 15 men and 24 men will complete the work. Okay, so how you will solve such kind of problems in a very smarter way? This is my personal guarantee, you can solve this problem in only 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, see, there are basically 5 men. Okay, so 5 men are here, 5 men or 6 women. Okay, they are basically taking 18 days. In how many days? 15 men and 24 women. In how many days? You should calculate the days here. Okay, so this is the initial brief discussion about our question. Okay, so first of all friends, what is the total number of days? That is 18. So write here 18 days divided by, so this one 15 divided by this 5 here. So 15 men will be divided by next 5 plus 24 will be divided by this 6. Okay, so this will be 18 divided by 5 3 times and 6 4 times. Okay, so this will be 3 times and this will be 4 times. 3 plus 4, that it will be 7. Okay, so we can say like this, 2 whole 4 by 7 days. Okay, so this is the smarter way to solve such kind of problems in a efficient time and way. Okay, so friends, I will also solve this problem in a conventional method. See how much time that I am taking and what are the complexity of this problem. Okay, so what will be the conventional way and traditional way. Okay, so traditional way, it will be like this. Basically 5 men or 6 women, so we can like this, 5 men that is equal to 6 women and they are taking 18 days. Okay, so if 5 men is equals to 6 women, then 1 man it will equal to 6 by 5 women. Okay, so from here we will convert the whole equation in the form of women. Okay, so friends, they are basically taking 18 days, and in how many days? 15 men. So we can say 15 men plus 24 women. 24 women will take how many days? Okay, so convert all the data in women format. So 15 men, if 1 man equal to 6 by 5 women, then 15 men, so 15 into 6 by 5 women plus 24 women, so it will be 3 times 3 into 6, that will be 18 plus 24, 18 plus 24, it will be 42 woman, because woman plus woman, this will be woman. So we have basically converted in the form of woman here. So friends, apply this formula here, m1 d1 that is equal to m2 d2. Okay, so there are basically 42 women. I have told you in the earlier, m doesn't stands for only man. This will be man, woman, any worker, any children, any boys. Okay, so it will be 42 here. Okay, sorry, just a minute friends, on other side it will be 42. Okay, because in the first we have only 6 women here. Okay, so 6 into, they are taking basically 18 days, so 6 into 18, it will be equal to m2, that means 42 will be here and they will take d2 days. Okay, so this will be 7 times, then d2 it will be equal to 18 divided by 7, and this also will equal to 2 whole 4 by 7 days. Okay, so from both the ways the answer will be the same, but I'll recommend you to solve the previous one. Okay, that I have solved for you. Okay, तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया होगा. सबसे पहले करना क्या है कि अगर क्वेश्चन पूछता है कि 5 मैन इक्वल टू 6 वुमेन, तो देखिए अगर दिया है 5 मैन और 6 वुमेन, तो ये 18 दिनों में करते हैं काम. ठीक है, और आपको बताना है कि 15 आदमी और 24 वुमेन कितने दिनों में करेंगे. तो ये आपकी क्वेश्चन ही हो गई. तो यहाँ से हमने 5 मैन बराबर 6 वुमेन, तो 1 मैन की वैल्यू निकाली 6/5. अब हमने क्या किया, इस 15 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दी, क्योंकि 15 मैन है और 1 मैन की वैल्यू इतनी वुमेन है, तो 15 इंटू 6/5 वुमेन, यहाँ से टोटल हमारा निकल के 42 वुमेन आया. फार्मूला अप्लाई किया, m1 d1 इक्वल टू m2 d2, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा m1. यहाँ पर वुमेन्स, अगर पूरी क्वेश्चन वुमेन्स की टर्म्स में, तो आपको वुमेन पिक करना है. तो 6 वुमेन है, 18 डेज लेती हैं, 6 इंटू 18 इक्वल टू 42 इंटू d2 निकाल दिया, 2 होल 4/7 आया. अगर इसको हमें शॉर्टकट से करना था, तो मैंने आपको पीछे बताया था टोटल 18 डेज है, तो 18 लिख लिया. डिवाइड किससे करना है आपको, देखिए यहाँ पर क्या कहता है 5 मैन और 6 वुमेन, दैट मीन्स 5 मैन और 6 वुमेन, they are taking basically 18 days. In how many days? 15 men, that means there will be 15 men and 24 women. Okay, so they will take how many days? So 18 will divided by this, 15 will divide by 5. तो 15 को आपको 15 मैन को 5 से डिवाइड करना है, फिर आपको 24 को किससे करना है, 6 से करना है. तो यहाँ से टोटल अगर मैं इसको निकालूंगा तो ये कितना आएगा मेरा 18/7, और इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2 सही 4/7. ठीक है, डेज. I hope you understand this problem. So friends, there is problem number 2 here. For similar problems, so how to solve this one here? See, 1 man or 2 women. We can say 1 man or 2 women or 3 children. They are taking basically 64 days. Okay. In how many days? 1 man, 2 women and 2 children. Okay, so 1 man and 2 women and 2 children. Okay, will do in how many days? You should calculate the days here. Okay, so first of all 64 will be here, divided by 1 divided by 1, 1 by 1, plus this 2 will divided by 2, so 2 by 2, plus this 2 will divided by 3, so 2 by 3 here. Okay, so we can say 64, this will be 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 by 3. Okay, so friends, we can say 64 divided by 3 into 2, it will be 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 3, so it will be 64 by 8 into 3, so 8 times 8 into 3, it will be 24 days. Okay, so this will be your answer friends. तो देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है कि अगर एक आदमी और 2 औरतें और 3 चिल्ड्रन 64 दिन में काम करते हैं, तो एक आदमी, 2 वुमेन और 2 चिल्ड्रन कितने दिनों में करेंगे? तो सबसे पहले मैंने आपको बताया 64 को ऊपर लिखना है, डिवाइड किससे करना है? जो नेक्स्ट वाली लाइन में हमें एलिमेंट्स दिए हुए हैं 1 मैन, इसको डिवाइड करना है ऊपर वाली लाइन से। 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 1, 2 बाई 2 प्लस 2 बाई 3। इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको कितना मिलेगा? 24 दिन। ये आपका आंसर होगा। ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3 here. See friends, 1 man or 2 women or 3 children. This is really very similar kind of problems from the previous ones. So first of all, pause this video, solve this problem by yourself. If you are unable to solve this problem, then I am solving it now for you. See friends, 1 man or 2 women or 3 children, they are taking basically 121 days. Okay, so in how many days 1 man and 1 woman and 3 children, they will take how many days? Okay, so first of all 121 will be here, this line divided by this line. Okay, so 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 3. Okay, so we can say 121, this will be divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. So we can say 121 divided by 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus half, it will be 5 by 2. Okay, so friends, ultimately if you solve this equation, then it will be near about 242 divided by 5. Okay, so if you further solve, simplify this one, so it will be 48 whole 2 by 5 days. Okay, so these are the very similar kind of problems, and after the next session we will discuss some more advanced problem of this session. Okay, so thanks guys for watching this video. Please like this video, comment this video and share this video, because we are preparing these videos for all those who are preparing from home and they don't have any sources to join any coaching. Okay, so that's why I'm teaching to all of you. So friends, also subscribe this channel. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.